Okay, so I'm still floating above 2200, so play on until I crush my rating. Oh, this would be a glutton for punishment and weaken all my light squares with the Sicilian. Oh dear. What about the dragon? That creates a lot of extra complexity. If I play the dragon, will he go mainline dragon? He's cautious about it. Bit of insecurity there creeping in. Perhaps thinking I'm a dragon expert or something. Again, a bit of cautiousness. He's just deciding which variation. I'll play h5 to h4. Get rid of this light square bishop before it's too late. Yeah, I've got e5 as easy taking e5 here. I think e5 will be a threat pretty soon. Like sort of nowish actually. If queen b6, e5, then taking on f6 and taking on d7. So what about bishop e6 here? Does that? Then there's e5 again. Is there rook c3 here? Queen c3, knight e4. That looks good, considering the e5 threat. Nice. Oh, I like that. So, got to do something about the e5 threats. So, what about bishop e6, e5, knight d5 takes? I got c3. I think I'll do this. So I'm trying to parry with knight d5, the big e5 threat. Do I give up the exchange? I guess I have to. My poor bishop. Do I give up the dragon bishop? I think it's one of those things has to be done. Just to try and get c-file pressure. Rook c8. At least there's no major attack on the king side just yet. So, in fact, so a5 I can start maybe to get an initiative. a5, b5, a4. He's going to play g5 now. Oh dear. So if I take, then h5 is probably going to be dangerous. It's g5 there. G5. That looks like an Inventure type move in the dragon that I've seen recently. Keeping the blinds closed. So I want to play b5 and a4 and get on with my own attack, if given half a chance. In fact, is b5 necessary? Can I just, if I can play this for a sec, can I play a4? Then there's queen c3. Of course I can play a4. So, what does this mean now? There's queen c3. That looks pretty vicious. Wow. Surely he didn't intend this. There's almost rook a8 if I can prepare it. Rook c4 looks crushing. I don't know. Queen b5, bishop d7 for rook a4, mate. That sort of thing. f5 is covered. Okay, I'll go rook c4. Don't try this at home. The dragon's a very dangerous opener. You can get hacked up on the h-file, but there is an Inventure game from Gibraltar, which was on Andrew Martin's channel, YT Manor. Oh dear, has he got out with it with that move? I was sort of being optimistic, but now he's probably gone out of it as well. That's a real shame. one move changes the picture. So he's on G5 as well. So Queen E3, Queen E3. I want to try for maybe B5 at some point. Queen C2, is that out of the question? As knight takes E4. Yeah, what about just knight takes E4? It's not a major disaster, is it? Still got lots of threats and pressure. 1 minute 35 though, so he's got a lot of chances now. I don't know, B5 something. I'm threatening knight B5 check. Actually, I can take and then rook C2 and then bishop B3. No, rook C3. Okay, no, maybe not. Rook C, he's got rook B3. Okay. Okay, so knight E2 to F4. It still looks good, but I've only got a minute, so I've really messed this up somehow, I think. It was really good before. I shouldn't have exchanged off queens. That's tragic. Although knight F4, I can try and get the G pawn working. Although rook, oh dear, rook E4, knight F4. Okay, holding on for a bit. Knight F4, bishop G4. I have to blockade his H pawn and try and get my G pawn. Don't know, bishop D5, is that going to be good for E5? That would hold up B7. So bishop D5, E5. Things are sort of reinforced quite well. Okay. Holds up B7. I'll play for. Alright, what about E6? Oh, I'm attacking his rook anyway. And he's seen that. Okay, what do I want to do here? E4? Maybe just taking. These pawns look really quite good. If I can just get these pawns going quickly. So E4, E3, E2, that sort of thing. Without losing all my pawns in the process. So there's rook C7 check. So E3 is coming up strong, surely. I'll play rook E7 with King D2. So he's going to give back. Is he going to go into an awful rook and pawn ending? I'll try and queen my G pawn. If takes. Take his H pawn, play King G6 and try for F5. Time scramble. Uh-oh, I'm losing that other one. Do I for a draw? Try and save face before I lose this one. Draw. Nope, he's not accepting a draw. Oh dear, I think he's won it actually after that move. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh dear. Ah. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh. I'm sorry, I'm such a patter today. what a way. You know, I even had a chance here to kind of, I don't know, play King C8 here, and he would have lost on time probably. Anyway, you gotta laugh. It was a good game for a long time, but I think I started to go wrong when I accepted this invitation to exchange off queens when I had such a brilliant position. Okay, I didn't see the strength of Queen A5. Queen C2 probably is really good as well. I don't know if Queen G5 Rook A4 check even, maybe Queen take A2 and Queen B3 looks like a menacing attack. So Queen C2 looks really good. I don't know. That was sad. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.